I mean, I say big up all the judges, Harold and Keisha, Nero. You don't see it go. 100% talent, you know. You see me I say. And we are going to do it the real way. Actually, I come to tell you a story, you know. I'm open to listen properly and get the concept for me I say. Read him. Yeah. Real way. Hey, I chew him now here. And me say, Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. When Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world now. Him also ignorant and vile as a kid. Him never have nothing, no, him never grow spoil as a kid. Chada, lot of journey, a lot of mile as a kid. Loan screw face, him never show no smile as a kid. No, him left school and never try go college. Just money him a pre, him not try find no knowledge. Him think say him strong in himself, but mama never love the life where him a live. She say fi come and him never come. And she say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. When Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. When Mama say fi come and him ask her fi what, cause him have to touch the road from the back her dinner. Him love her to him heart and that's a fact, you know. But him still a pretty house with the big black beamer. All when Mama say fi ease off, him no ease off. She got him willing fi squeeze off, fi get the G's fast. Him tell himself him have to reach far, cause deep in him heart him know say him a leader. Hey, Mama vex ya know, can't believe it. Right I know him look good life goodly leave him. I chew him never hear. When Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. No, hey, real way.
Alien Boss. Where you say Mama tell him for cool and him nah cool, him nah here. Like stick broke in a females. Good song from Alien Boss, me like that one. And me I tell him I feel it too, you know, the current and the energy and the whole thing. You know what I mean? Yes. Our General, what you think about this song Alien Boss just perform?
Yeah. Alien Boss. Yeah. Extraterrestrial activity we are dealing with, you know? Yo, but we are dealing with, you are going now. Song, potent, real, straight. Right now, enough for the youth them right now, them need to listen to a song like this and hold a meditation. Right now, because with them are run down and feed them, you know? Yo, but we are dealing with. Otherwise, from that image out, Alien Boss, mask pan head top, you know, Joker shirt with a little arrow movie thing. You know what I mean? Because they think it's a scary movie thing, you know. But nothing like that, you know.
No,
you
I
know what I deal with, so, yeah, man. Fully love the performance, love the song, love the positive message where you give out to the item. And we need more music like this right now. So big up yourself, Alien Boss. Million.
All right, trust me, that is the reason why we have this show, 100% talent show for all talent to showcase, you know, so the artists them can reach on another level. Alien Boss, trust me, big song. Keep up the good work, my brother. You know what I mean? And we are going to make you have some tickets, so make sure you keep the people them voting for you to keep you in this competition because you're doing good, my brother. You know what I mean? All right, Keisha, Las Vegas. Keisha, Alien Boss, but we hear what you have to say about him.
You know, I can't sing, but he makes me want to sing. Mama tell you to cool yourself.
Yeah.
And that is something that many mothers, families are challenged with right now. Craziness going on in this COVID time. And sometimes you see people do, you know, you're not expecting stuff out of them. And you want to like, oh, that, their family's so good. Principal like, granny send him go to church. You know, mother send him go to good school. And that song just embodies that we really have to sometimes take telling and
Straight
understand
up.
at times Now go so, you know, now I give you an excuse.
Yes.
You know, now I always get an excuse to continue. So I loved it.
For real, we're really excited for all the artists. So big up Alien Bass, I heard from Kisha, Las Vegas, loving the song. You know what I mean? All the judges, I think, loving the song.